Hey, what's going on, guys? Todok Tech here. Welcome back to another video on my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing a PC build part list that is rated at $603.23. So guys, this is a good, perfect PC build if you're looking at the $600 range. So this will definitely get 1080p gaming done over 60 FPS. But hopping right into it, guys, for our CPU we went with the Ryzen 3 3200G. It's a 4-core processor that is unlocked and overclockable. Plus, it comes with its own cooler. Next, we went with the Cooler Master MCB Q300L. This is an acrylic side panel instead of your normal standard tempered glass side panel. Then we decided to add some case fans because this case only has one fan. And for the storage, we went with the ADATA SU 800 128GB SSD. This is for your Windows program and some, let's say, programs if you want. Then for the GPU, we went with the RX 580 8GB by Sapphire Technology. And then for the games storage, we went with the Seagate Bear Drives Barracuda 1TB. And for the motherboard, we went with the B450M Pro VDH Max. And for the PCU, we went with the Thermaltake Smart 800 white or 80 plus white PCU. And then for the RAM, we went with 3000 MHz of Alloy DDR4 16GB. So guys, if you want to switch some of this stuff out for like $9 more, you can actually get the new Ryzen 3 3100, or for $29 more, you can easily get the Ryzen 3 3300X. But guys, this is only just a price point at $603. It's really affordable if you actually save your money for it. So, yeah guys. But anyways guys, that's going to wrap up for this video. If you guys did enjoy at any point, make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Also, all the parts for this PC is going to be down in the description below. But anyways guys, I'll see you guys later. Have a nice day. Goodbye folks.